Park Model trailers again today, and this is a Quailridge 39 ASL. It's clay with the clay window and door package and clay trim, so it's really down to earth trailer. It looks really earthy. 39 ASL. Let's go on in. It's unit number 12084. Now the MSRP on this trailer is $72,000, and it's certified by the RV industry as a park model trailer. So when you come in, you've got a sectional sofa, you've got plank. Well, this is PVC flooring on the entire main floor. I'm showing you around the main floor here. That's all PVC flooring. It looks like ceramic tile, but it's not. It's nice 5-burner range, convection microwave, Samsung fridge. There's a nice fridge there. Nice big shower, big bathroom. This trailer lends itself to a nice floor plan here. Got a step-in shower, low threshold. Point that out to you. That's about 4 to 5 inches, if that. That's the threshold for stepping in the shower. Out here you got your kitchen, stainless oversized sink, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer, island seating. Already seen the sectional sofa in the fireplace. Got a nice ceiling fan up top. It's got a pretty big loft. The loft covers about half the trailer. So let's go up in the loft and take a look around. Again, this is the Quailridge 39 ASL if you just joined us. It's got a little couple closets, couple drawers there, auxiliary air conditioner, back in the back to keep you nice and cool in the summertime. There's never any problem with heat upstairs because heat rises. Okay, so there's the loft, the front living room, L kitchen. Oh, almost missed the dishwasher. It's for all them people that asked me, where would you put a dishwasher? Well, there you go. We'll put the dishwasher right there. It's a Frigidaire pot scrubber. Pretty sweet. Who wants to wash dishes when you're Cadillac camping? Let's see, we did see the fireplace in the entertainment center. Been to the bathroom. I'd show you the inside of the fridge, but it's strapped shut. Here's a pantry, a hall pantry, nice pantry. Lots of shelving there. Pantry, pantry, pantry. Tall closet here. It's actually prepped for a stackable washer dryer. Prepped, already prepped for you. It's got an island queen, so you can walk around the queen bed in the master suite here. It's got the signature Quailridge his and hers wardrobe. Nice wardrobe, a lot of drawers, a lot of doors. You have full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you get access to the whole drawer. Behind the panel here, that's the electrical panel. With all the breakers clearly marked. There's your circuit breaker panel. Walk around queen. This particular unit has built-in nightstands with outlets by each one. You don't have to get the nightstands. It's just we mix them up here. So this stock unit actually had the nightstands in it. So heading back out to the front. Again, you got the plank flooring, or the PVC flooring. I keep saying plank because we have plank in some and ceramic tile in others. PVC flooring throughout. The ceramic tile look-alike. This is the Quailridge 39 ASL. And it was brought to you by Kelly Hicks Construction. We got plenty more to film. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Again, the MSRP on this trailer, unit number 12084, was just over $72,000. Quailridge 39 ASL. Have a great day. Quailridge 39 ASL, and it's a really cool trailer. It's tan with tan package. It's a double loft. We'll head on inside and check it out. Double loft, extended dormer. Got about every feature you could want on a trailer. Starting out with the fireplace. And that's a cool fireplace. I got it turned on. There's the entertainment center. You can mount a TV on the wall. Has a 5-burner range. Stainless appliances, convection microwave, stainless dishwasher. You have a sectional pit group with the sleeper sofa. Ceiling fan overhead. Whoops. Now why did you flip like that? That was my GoPro, not me. Nice big half loft. Let's go on up there and check it out. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner to keep the kids or adults cool. It's got an entertainment center. It's got its own closet. Extends roughly half of the trailer. There's mini blinds on every window that opens. Stool seating at the bar. You've got your charging stations on every Quailridge. The cabinets, self-closing hinges, adjustable shelving you can see there. Ball bearing, full extension drawer guides. That's a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Check this fridge out. Now that's a cool one. Samsung double door fridge with the freezer on the bottom. You got a hall closet, which you could plumb it for a washer dryer if you wanted to. Right now it's a hall closet. You got a hall pantry. Lots of storage there for your canned goods. Prop station over here. Let's go check out the bathroom. Pretty cool bathroom. It's a shower, corner vanity, got a window, and what a lot of people are looking for is the low threshold. So it's got a small threshold to step over, not the giant tub to step into. Okay, so last but not least, let's go check out the bedroom. This has a lift bed. There's storage under the bed. There's end tables, built-in nightstands with outlets. Comes with one lamp. I don't know why the lamp's not over here, but at any rate, comes with the lamp. There's the drawers and doors. This is the newest 2020 Quailridge wardrobe. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors. That's a lot of storage for the bedroom. You got storage on both sides here, overhead cabinets and nightstands. Okay, well, enough of the bedroom. You got vinyl flooring, or I should say PVC flooring, because it's not vinyl, it's PVC flooring. It looks like ceramic tile, but it's not. It's PVC flooring. So anyhow, this is unit number 12084, and it retails for low 70s. Let me make sure I give you the number right. It is definitely 12084. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Take one last look around here. Very nice trailer. We're going to be going through all my inventory today. So this is one of 10. Have a great day. If you got any questions, call Kelly.
I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.